recording?
Right, yeah.
I don't know.
Making vanilla mug cake.
I mean, yeah. But we're making a cake. I think we're making a cake. Like,
yeah.
we're gonna eat it after dinner.
Well, if it
So this.
Well, that's the recipe right there.
Let me see.
There.
Yeah.
So we need a big mug.
2 × 6. See, there's a mug. Let's get that. It's a pencil
I
mug.
reckon that will do.
Yeah.
It'll be big enough.
Can I pour everything in? You need to wash your hands.
Oh yeah.
Mum, Elise nearly forgot to wash her hands, but I reminded her.
Yep. Alright.
So this is the reason what you all should do before you cook. You must wash your hands because all the germs get on there, and some people might get poorly off the germs. I mean.
Alright. So we need plain flour.
Really? Can I put it in?
No.
Oh no, not yet. Yeah, but can I? No, we need eggs, don't we?
No.
Okay, good.
Because it's going in the microwave.
Oh yeah.
Right. We need milk.
We need get blue milk. Is there any? I get green milk. Big shop.
So plain flour, milk,
And
vanilla extract.
there.
That's not vanilla extract, but that's baking powder. We need that. We need baking powder.
Oh, wait, what? How did I guess that?
Where is the vanilla extract?
We need a spoon.
Yeah. Alright, so the ingredients that we have is salt,
Yeah. Butter.
butter.
And we've got some milk.
We've got some milk, vanilla extract, plain
That
flour,
plain. And then
baking powder, and white sugar. Lots of it. So, what do we do first? We need 6 tablespoons.
can I tell you
of plain
something,
flour.
guys? Like last night, yesterday at school, this tooth was not there. That was there, I mean. And then last night when I was staying at Nan's, this came out. Well, I got it. But can I do one?
Yeah.
And then another one?
How many is that? 2?
3.
That's 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right.
This is scary, doing this.
4.
Do we need 5?
No, we need 6. 5.
One more. Make 6.
One more. There you go. Was that 5 or 6? I don't even know.
Okay, that is 6. That is 6. Wait, can I? That was 7.
Well, no, it wasn't 7. I only added a little bit because it's halfway full.
Well, like that.
Might add half.
Wait, is that?
Right, well,
Okay, I think that's enough.
that should be enough now.
Yeah. That is a bit too much, I think. Well, you know.
Right.
Okay, now we
Next one.
milk.
No, it's not. It's white sugar. So we need.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do 2 tablespoons. Yep, that's 1. And no, another one. Yeah, that's it. 2. Alright, what's the next one? Baking powder.
Baking powder. Can I do
We
it?
need no, because it's a 1/4 teaspoon.
Please.
Tablespoon.
Please.
No, it's not that one. It's this one.
Oh.
No, because you're only.
But that don't fit.
It doesn't, does it? Wait. I don't know how many teaspoons there are on tablespoon.
One smell.
It doesn't smell of anything. Oh, I guess just half.
Just, yeah. This is really fun making this. Like, I've never made a cake before like this. Well, I have. I mean, like, I've made other cakes, but not this cake. Okay, that's enough.
No, we had too much.
What? too much baking. I mean, whatever it's called.
That should be enough.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, Elise!
This might be a bit fizzy.
Elise!
Yes.
We can make it into a big tub.
No, just it's a mug cake, and it's already in there. Alright, salt. Only a pinch of salt.
Can you put it in my hand?
Why?
I don't want to do it.
Sure. Right, there you go. What's next? 6 tablespoons of milk.
Can I pour it in? I know how to do it.
No.
You can hold it with me.
No, but you've got to do it this way.
Can I put it in?
2, 3. How much was it? 6? Yeah. 4,
5,
5,
6.
6. There you go.
Can you see it? That looks like we just poured some milk in that. Just milk.
Alright, mix that. No, just. Alright, now what you got to add? 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Okay, so now we have to melt the butter. We'll come back. Okay, so we melted our butter.
Yep. It may look disgusting, but that's like sick, Elise. It's butter.
Ew.
I know it looks like sick. I'm mixing it.
Oh, don't touch the pan because it'll be hot. Get your hand away.
Ah. Hi, Nanny.
Alright, that'll be it. Put that in the sink.
Huh? I chopped it down.
Right, now we've got to mix it.
I just mixed it. Can I mix?
Wait, oh no, we haven't added the vanilla extract yet. Wait. Yeah,
Can I?
Yeah, no, you mix.
Okay. Like? I won't eat
Shit, wait,
it.
I can keep my mouth, but.
I really want to eat it because it looks nice and it smells good. Smells nice.
It smells quite old. It should be fine. What do we supposed to add? 2 teaspoons.
It does smell old.
It's not, no, it doesn't smell that old. It's just a bit around the edge.
Okay. Now I'm mixing. Looks like porridge with syrup.
2. Right.
It smells so nice. Elise,
Alright, now
sometimes
mix till all the lumps are gone. Yeah. So it's got to be like the same consistency. What? Consistency of yogurt. So it's got to look like yogurt. Okay, we'll be back when we're done.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the consistency of yogurt.
Sorry, I'm just like
Very
doing
thick.
that. Wait, in a minute.
Really sad. Okay, so now you've got to put it in the microwave on a high heat for 2 minutes, and that's it. It's in the microwave now, so use this time if you haven't already to clean up your stuff. I've already done some of it, but we'll do the rest now. Salt. Right, okay.
I didn't.
You are weird.
What?
So remember, don't put oil or melted butter down the sink, put it in the bin.
Yeah. Because you shouldn't really, because the sink is dirty. Oh. At least being weird, putting water in the bin.
It's not.
I like it. I'm crazy with spoons of oil. I sound like fart.
Smells nice. Oh, it's rising to the top like that.
You know how?
That's halfway done. It's a minute.
Oh,
Oh, it smells
can
lovely.
you smell?
Basically, just smells like what it does.
Can we have a little bit?
Maybe maybe. We can try it, yeah. But we're not trying the ice cream yet. We're gonna have it after dinner.
Yeah, but we're gonna have a little bit. Only a tiny bit.
Oh, it smells nice.
I think it's
Stop.
yeah.
Right, well,
Silly Baba, Silly Baba.
sorry.
Wait, Luke. Remember when we was in there and I was like about 3? We said, Silly Baba, Silly Baba.
Okay, this is it nearly done. Oh, this is much different.
It's so nice. It smells like chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets, right, well, it's about
I don't.
half a minute
It
there.
smells like egg. Hey guys, I'm gonna see you in a minute. Bye.
Where has she gone? I don't know.
Hickory!
Oh, it's a bit laggy. Oh, well.
Hickory!
Well, it's nearly done. About 5 seconds. 5, 4,
I'm
3,
6
2,
seconds.
1.
Oh, there's 3.
Right, well,
Can I go see
let's see
it?
how it looks. See if you can... Oh, no, that looks done. Right, well, let's test out if it's done.
If it isn't, then
I think we just put a knife into it.
is it done?
Well, it's done.
Mmm.
It's clear. Nice. Okay. Let's have a little taste, shall we?
Now this is the time what we're gonna taste.
Wait, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, it's nice.
Hot.
It is too hot for you still. It doesn't have much flavour. I don't think I added enough vanilla extract. Because the guy said to add 2 teaspoons. I had about 4.
This actually tastes like normal cake.
It does.
I know.
But it was made in 2 minutes.
Yeah. Ah.
Ow. Oh, fell on the table. Is that your first mouthful?
No, second. 3rd.
It is quite dry. Right, we'll just have 3 then.
One more.
No. Oh, fine. Oh, no.
No.
It was quite dry,
Yeah.
but it still is nice. It still is
Yeah.
nice.
Like, that's the first cake I've ever made like that.
I've never made one like that, I don't think. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it nice? Do you want to do it again?
But not now.
Not now, but, and we'll do a different one next time.
Yeah.
Right. Bye!
Bye.